What it is, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's 8:30 in the morning. Oh my God, my hair look crazy. Yeah, about to meet up with my brother right now at his hotel. And then from here, we're gonna rest up and then go to the Airbnb. Yeah, it's a little chilly out right now. Like I tried to prop up the car. But it's a little chilly out right now. But yo, check this out, y'all. This is literally Lake Superior right here. Oh my gosh, bro. This is beautiful, man. Oh yeah, this is beautiful, y'all. We are already set to go hiking. As you can see, I got my bag, camera stuff, changing some jeans. Got my little boots on. Then we're about to go find a location to go hike, check out some waterfalls, and I'm gonna get some pics and bring y'all along for the ride.
Is my battery pack being charged?
I also got this new little Retropia pancake lens I'm about to take out on this little hike and this trip and test it out, see how it goes.
There's more fungi on that tree right there.
Dude, this is insane. Look at this.
Crazy looking fungi. Massive pieces too.
Oh, come on over here.
No, this is water. Oh.
About to go down. Well, we saw the waterfall over there. We're about to take these steps and go down and get the best view of it, y'all. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Look how steep these are. Sheesh. Oh, snap. Hold on. It's a little wobbly. Oh my God. This is so cool, man. Insane, y'all. Made it back to the car. We're going to the next spot. Going to the next spot. Going to the next spot. Oh, there's another overlook.
Imagine if I pants them.
Oh man.
You could use this to change it to make it clear.
Nah, this is crazy, y'all. Look at how clear that water is. Are you vlogging? Look, she's vlogging now, y'all? Oh, look at the bird. Oh, snap. That was awesome. I don't went off the trails, y'all. I'm going out here. See if I get a. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Look at this view, y'all. OMG, that's crazy. Holy crap, bro. That's the side of the mountain right here. What the freak, y'all? Oh my gosh, bro.
Okay.
Bro, we're literally gonna be down there tomorrow.
Let me point five this for y'all. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, don't forget to call Curtis.
If you have signal.
This is insane, y'all.
Just say we'll meet at Airbnb.
This is insane. Just turn the corner.
Hello.
Hello. I found my family. Is that the beach that he did the music video on?
Ooh. I don't know. Is it?
Kid Rock?
Oh, that's Miners Beach? Yeah, it might be.
Oh my gosh, look. It got two sides of it. This is so sick. Oh, there's more. Bruh, the Cliff Mountains is right here, y'all. I want to get on this so bad, y'all. I want to get on this so bad. Oh,
I want to get on so bad.
bruh, what? Yo, I'm geeking out, y'all. This is awesome. This is breathtaking.
We have vlog 2.
Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. Like, places like this legit exist. This is sick. Look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is so sick. I go that way? I go back the other way? Well, continue to change the energy brake, y'all. So we are here at Miners Beach, y'all. Pan over a little bit and come on, like go to the right. Yep, just slowly go. Yep. It looks pretty sick, right, huh, Ty?
Yep.
I can't believe we're at the beach, man.
And it's like 50 degrees here.
This is like nice sand. This is way different than like Florida beach.
Yeah, look, wait, look. Wait, I'm just gonna show y'all how
Yeah.
consistent the sand
You can
is.
talk to the camera if you want to. Go ahead.
That sand is so consistent. You just sink in with every step. We're even able to touch the water. No, I don't think we can.
That's pretty sick. Rock still over there. Oh, look at that boat. I just walked across this little thing, y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look, so the water. Oh. I'm trying to climb this layer. Oh, this is sick. Yeah, I am literally like walking on the side of the cliff right now. This is insane. Look at these roots, bro, like coming out the ground. Oh my gosh, dude, this is a little wet. I kind of don't want to slip right here, y'all. I should watch my step, you feel me? I slip, might be done for. That's insane, bro. Like, what? I cannot believe I'm doing this. This is awesome. Just walking around, chilling right now. You can see the water. That's cool. Well, look what I found, y'all. It's a crawfish skeleton. It's insane. Look at this. Getting gas right now, y'all. After this, about to go to the grocery store, get some groceries, and then go check into the B&B, you feel me? We just, ooh, I guess, so we just pulled up to this fish and chips trucks. But look, y'all can walk down to the, oh my gosh, bro, this spot is cool. Matson's Fisheries, catamaran, smoked fish, and sausage. Dude, look at this. And the water literally right there. This is cool. Look, it's smoking right here. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Is it open? It says we're open, yes. Let's see what it's talking about. Catch of the day. Oh snap. What we got in here? Oh shoot. They got merch and everything. Wait, this is not where you came from?
No, I went next door.
Oh, the hut one?
Fish sausage.
Fish sausage? Smoked whitefish dip? Ooh.
Free postcard.
What? Nah. Pay on
Take
free.
one, please.
Oh, shoot. Oh, that's lit, y'all.
What do you got? All right.
You want some fries?
Oh my god, that looks good, huh?
Oh my god, it does.
Oh my
Oh my god. That looks better than what we
Look
had.
at all that.
Oh my goodness.
I'm giving the viewers a close up.
You don't eat that.
Alright, you got a knife.
I'm
Cut it
giving the viewers a close up.
Okay.
Did you taste it?
Oh my gosh, this is good. Nobody want to try none? Y'all sure? It's really good.
They're just gonna watch you eat.
Are y'all not eating?
I am.
Hey guys, so we just checked into the Airbnb. Check it out. Beach house, boom. Let me give y'all a tour. Oh, it's out. So right here, we have the basement.
AKA the cameraman's room.
No, I'm not. It's not my room.
I said cameraman.
Oh yeah, this is your room.
Yeah, this is my room.
So boom, we got a chair.
Got a chair.
For serious thinking. We got a bed, the desk, shelf, little bunk bed for the kids.
This is my bunk.
This is
Door.
I don't know. Check us
Bathroom.
out. Check and see what's up. Alright, this is the quick little bathroom. Let me y'all tour.
Little bather
Boom,
room.
boom, 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 boom.
This is that. Yeah.
This is the kitchen. The stove. The thing.
Mine's.
Fridge. Dining room.
Then we got the living room.
Okay, quick review of this bedroom. That's it. Boom. This is the bedroom right here.
My one.
Quick view. Just pan it. Good beach view. Is that a bathroom? That's a bathroom? Yes. This is my bedroom. This is where I'll have my journal. And I'll sit right here.
Wow. Cool.
And write in my journal like this.
Yeah, good stick.
What the
Can you see me?
vibes? Yep.
Wait, hold on. Here's the view. This is our beach right here, y'all. Good beach vibes, you feel me? I'll go down there and show y'all the beach. Oh, I forgot. Go down the steps, y'all. Show y'all a cool little view. Our kayaks and oh snap! Good news. I almost slipped and bust my head, y'all. So our fire pit station. This is our beach. A little private beach backyard, y'all. Good vibes, man. Good vibes.
It really is Alvin.
Oh, he's running away.
All right, y'all, we about to leave, go to the store. We ain't got no service, but I screenshot it. Hopefully we don't get lost. We literally got to take a left on the main street and take a right on the second turn. And hopefully we good. We just got to go get some brews and a couple things for the crib. And we coming back and we vibing with that fam. Well, y'all, we done made it. We found it. Kind of easy. Let's see. You feel me? Let's see what we about to get into. Oh, you can come out.
Oh, thank you.
It's a pretty sweet little spot, y'all. One-stop shop for everything. Got in the waters. Bringing hot dogs and brats for dinner. Some light, some easy for the kids. You got a pizza? You bringing that for the kids too? Or no?
Might as well.
You want pizza for dinner? The one that you picked out?
I don't know which one I picked out. I could just get this.
We get regular sausage hot dog? Alright. Cooking dinner right now, y'all. Dinner almost done. Look at the fries. Check this out, y'all.
Give him the crunch.
Yeah. Hey, you give them the crunch. Bread toasted, brats almost done, dogs, sauerkraut. Feel me? We just vibing. Kids got their plates. Easy, baby.
Grand Marquis, and more. But at this point, we're content with just spending our time here. Thank you for sharing this place with others. We hope we will have the opportunity to come back for years to come. Side note, Rock River Farms.
We just got done eating dinner. Eating this now. Cheers, y'all.
Oh, that's why she wanted to do that. She plugged her own small business.
At the end of the vlog today. Catch y'all tomorrow, you feel me?